It was a long day flying from Poland to Montenegro and seeing this beautiful country. Oh my god, I can't wait to share with you guys everything, like show you around. Yes. Very hot. Beef cheek and steak. It's yummy. This is what I'm wearing. The sun is from here. This is the hotel. It's so big. It's really, really big. Look at this beautiful hotel. How many people? Oh my god, I will make room tour. First thing you see is the wardrobe, the big wardrobe. There's hangers and you can keep bags here. You have slippers, another space with hangers also, and then here you have more towels, slippers, safe, everything. And then here is the toilets. You have the shower, you have the soap, hand towel. These are soaps. You have a lot of towels and a big mirror, also this mirror. Ooh. Yes, this is our anniversary location. These are the, glasses in case you want to drink something. You have the coffee maker, you have the kettle, different types of tea, menu, and here you have the fridge. Look at this space and the lights. Everything is given just from there. This room is big. Look at the bed. The bed is so big. And here you have also a couch. You have another carpet. You have like a living room here. You have the mirror, the table, and the TV. This is our room. Anniversary getaway in Montenegro. The most important, the most beautiful view is outside. My goodness. What is this for?
For the towel.
Oh, to hang towel from swimming pool.
All from the beach.
Montenegro is the most beautiful country for me. And here you can sit out and chill. If you smoke, you smoke. Have your ashtray. You can sit here and take the sun. So here you can sit. Life is good. Life is good. One picture, please. Wash my hands.
This is with clothes.
Why they put a lot of soap?
But I don't use this. I don't use this. I only use shower gel and that's all.
But you will use sunscreen, my love. It's not.
No.
It's not cold like in Poland.
But today, what do you want?
Mint. Yes, it's the light. When you close it, this sound will stop. How many shoes you brought?
Only two. And my
Slippers.
dog silver.
Your wash bag. Toothpaste. We brought our own toothpaste.
Dobra, I forgot something.
What did you forget?
Well,
And put here. This is my makeup bag. Makeup bag will be here.
well,
This one we go with look at my belt. Will it size?
show me.
It's too small. This is the belt, yes.
Yeah.
And to cover with shirt. No one will know.
Even if someone knows, I don't care.
I
After 7.
I brought only 2 bags to this bucket. This is for sleep. These are leggings. I brought leggings. I brought a black also. I brought 2 weeks plus the one I wore. This is my shoe. Only 2 shoes. Bag here. My shoes here. My jewelries. I'll put here also. Let's go to the rooftop. Let's show you. This is bar. Like, this is the pool. The sun is from here. I suppose my hair is not good. Look at the view. It's giving. Very cool. This is spa area. Spa area. Spa. This is the gym.
Yes.
Oh wow. It's nice. Relax room and massage room. This area for the swimming, yes?
Yes.
Swimming pool, we will come later.
You have, no, we can back now.
Take towel, yes?
Yes.
You have card for towel. They gave you card for towel.
Yes.
Oh, here you have slippers and rope. We have this and a robe. Can you open it for me? Don't tear it though, I will use the liner.
So you don't have slippers?
No, I forgot it.
Like me. Bad.
Big O. And I wear this. Wait for me, okay? I'm not going to the swimming pool to swim. I just want to sit there and watch my husband. So they have price list for the spa. Aromatherapy, 55 minutes, 77 euro. Anti-stress, 50 minutes, 67 euro. Hey guys, so it's currently 7 p.m. and we need to go for dinner. We were able to rest, take shower, go to the swimming pool. We also went to the gym just to look around, and we rested a bit. My husband is not around right now. He went to fly the drone. I don't know if he's coming because we decided to go for dinner at 7:30 and it's 7 p.m. right now. So I think he will walk in any moment from now. Yes, he's here right now. How are you?
Fine.
Akami.
Come.
Did you fly the drone?
Yes.
Was it good?
Yes.
I can't wait to see.
Dobra, prepare for food.
For dinner.
Yes.
So guys, we are going for dinner. You can join me. See you guys later. Bye. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Oh, I love you. Cannot post this on Facebook. You will give it to me, yes? I post on YouTube, yes?
This one I make also like this.
God, it's sweet. It's not even... This is what I'm wearing for dinner. Good?
Good though. Main dishes.
I choose fruit plates for desserts, and I choose shrimps for appetizer, and I choose steak for main dish.
Beef cheek.
Beef cheek.
Juneci.
Obraz.
Juneci. Okay.
It's familiar,
It's
like
not similar like
Okay.
Polish.
That's all, okay?
And dessert. Yes.
pistachios.
Pistachios.
Okay, later. The
Okay.
dessert is okay. Yeah.
Okay.
This is what you call it.
Beef
Beef cheek and steak. It's yummy.
I told you, delicate.
I will try yours. What is this pistachio? And this is mine.